Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Starbucks, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. List all sources of income you receive each month. Next, calculate your fixed expenses, such as rent, utilities, and insurance. Identify your variable expenses, including groceries, transportation, and entertainment. Now, set specific savings goals you want to achieve. Consider your Starbucks spending habits. Track how much you spend on Starbucks each month. Divide your Starbucks purchases into categories, such as coffee, food, and merchandise. Set a monthly budget for Starbucks that aligns with your financial goals. Use the 50/30/20 budgeting rule as a guideline. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. Identify areas where you can cut back on your Starbucks budget. Explore ways to save on Starbucks purchases, such as using the Starbucks app for rewards. Plan your Starbucks trips around special promotions or discounts. Consider brewing coffee at home on days you typically buy from Starbucks. Use your savings from Starbucks to contribute to your overall budget goals. Regularly review your progress and adjust your Starbucks budget as needed. This way, you can enjoy your favorite coffee while maintaining financial stability. Stay mindful of your spending habits moving forward. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may be. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.